Hi, I'm Paul Compton, broker associate with JLA Realty.
And I'm Savannah Compton, Realtor and Managing Partner with JLA Realty.
When I was first licensed, I wanted a brokerage that would provide both the education and the opportunities to grow my business the way that I wanted to, and JLA Realty was just that place. From starting out as a part-time realtor to getting my broker's license and then branching out into farm and ranch and even commercial real estate, JLA has provided me with the mentorship and support systems that allowed me to be successful every step of the way.
My background is in the fast-paced world of digital marketing and business coaching, where I gained the knowledge that helped me build multiple successful businesses online. I came to JLA because I wanted to share that knowledge with a community of growth-minded real estate professionals who are ready to embrace taking their business to the next level.
When you decide to partner with JLA Realty, we say, welcome to the family, because we value each member of our team, and our passion is to provide you with all the tools that you need to be successful.
Some of the tools that we provide include a fantastic commission split, no fees ever, industry-leading education and mentoring, and lead generation, all at absolutely no cost to you.
And whether you want to simply grow your business, or you want to branch out into other areas of the real estate industry, or even start your own team, we have the experience to guide you so that you can make your business goals a reality.
Our company is not successful unless our agents are successful. So if you've been looking for a true partner in the real estate business and a brokerage that is passionate about the success of its agents, then this is the place for you.
With over 20 locations across the Houston area and more coming across the state of Texas every day, a professional space to meet clients or attend trainings is never far away with us. And once you're a part of the JLA family, you're welcome at any of our offices at any time.
Are you ready to take the next step?
Give us a call today so we can show you what JLA Realty can do for you.